guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Radhika Erkal and today I'm going to show you how to paint this beautiful dot mandala painting using acrylic paints. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updated every time I post a new video. Now let's start painting. Okay, let me first show you guys the materials that I'll be using in this video. First of all, I'm going to be using this canvas board of 12 inches in diameter and 6 inches in radius. This is actually a white canvas on which I have painted black. I'll be mentioning link to everything that I'll be using in the description box below. And for the paints, I'll be using only two colors, that is Crimson Lake and Titanium White. I'm going to be mixing these two colors and creating different shades of pink and red. Then a scale, a pencil, a 360-degree protractor, and for creating dots I'm going to be using these ball tools, and for very tiny dots I'm going to be using this wooden stick with a pointy edge. You can also use a toothpick if you want. Now let's start painting.
And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment your views down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updated every time I post a new video. See you in the next video.